Continuing our coverage of lawyers defending a Buckfield man charged with the murder of his infant daughter are in the midst of making their case that their client is not guilty. During the prosecution, medical experts testified that the child, Harper Averill, suffered extensive brain and spine injuries. As News Center Maine's Raya Wooten reports, defense attorneys tried to put a pause on the case, but the judge ruled that the trial will go on.
Defense attorneys representing Trevor Averill are looking for alternative ways to secure a win. Several expert witnesses were called to the stand after the judge denied the defense attorney's motion to dismiss the case. Day 6 of trial didn't start with witness testimonies. Instead, the defense filed two motions, a motion to acquit and a motion to dismiss for lack of evidence. Defense attorney Jim Hawanik says these kinds of motions are routine. Judges have the power to acquit if they believe prosecutors haven't proven beyond a reasonable doubt that the defendant committed a crime. In this case, the judge quickly denied the motions, ruling that prosecutors have presented considerable evidence against Trevor Averill. After losing the motion, defense attorneys were forced to push forward, calling three witnesses to the stand. A biomedical engineer who testified that in his research, skull fractures can happen at locations that vary from the initial point of impact. A pediatric radiologist named Dr. Julie Mack, who testified that CT scan and MRI imaging that she reviewed does not support the theory that Harper's injuries were caused by being forcefully shaken. And lastly, a pediatric pathologist, Dr. Janice Opoven, who testified that she believes Harper's cause of death hasn't been determined. Opoven says that Harper suffered from a previous skull fracture and that there is evidence of previous bleeding to the head. During cross-examinations, prosecutors point out that Opoven consults on cases and has not performed an autopsy for more than 10 years. During cross-examinations for each witness, the state prosecutors insinuated that the expert witnesses lacked credibility, pointing out that none of them provided direct care for Harper Averill. In Auburn, Raya Wooten, News Center, Maine.